Today we are going to start a new topic, that is projectile motion. What is projectile? A particle thrown after making some angle with the horizontal is known as projectile motion. In analysis of projectile motion, we make some assumptions. First, Earth is assumed to be flat, so acceleration due to gravity is assumed to be constant during analysis of projectile motion, and air resistance is neglected during analysis of projectile motion. There can be many types of projectile. Among them, the most common projectile is ground-to-ground projectile. Another type of projectile may be inclined projectile or projectile from moving bodies or elevated ground projectile. But in all the projectile motion, the concepts of ground-to-ground projectiles are very commonly and frequently used. Let's assume XY coordinate system. Let us imagine that a projectile of mass m is projected with projection speed u at projection angle theta with horizontal. Suppose the projectile reaches at point P in a time interval of small t, where coordinates of point P are xy with respect to origin. The coordinate of point O, that is origin, is 0, 0. Since projectile motion is assumed to be uniform acceleratory motion and in horizontal direction, that is in x direction, no acceleration is acting, so horizontal component of velocity always remains constant in projectile motion.